Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started. Our number one choice is Dr. Fish Saltwater Fishing Lures Kit. Designed specifically for saltwater fishing, including surf fishing and striper fishing. Includes jerkbaits, topwater popper plugs, and minnow lures to attract different types of fish. Effective for mackerel, tarpon, barracuda, and other popular saltwater species. This kit offers a wide variety of lures that can be used in different saltwater conditions, from topwater action to deeper water retrieval. Multiple colors and designs to mimic natural prey and entice fish. The included mustad hooks are a standout feature in this kit. Known for their strength and sharpness, they provide secure hook sets, even when fighting large, hard-fighting fish like tarpon and barracuda. You can count on the reliability of these hooks, ensuring that you don't lose fish after an exciting catch. The durable construction holds up well against the saltwater environment, giving you the peace of mind that your gear won't fail under pressure. Whether you're surf fishing or fishing in offshore waters, this kit offers the right set of lures for all techniques. The popper lures are great for topwater action, while the jerkbaits excel at creating movement that attracts fish from a distance. The minnow lures are also effective for mimicking small fish that larger saltwater species like to target. This kit covers a variety of fishing techniques, so you'll always have the right lure for the job. Great for both beginners and seasoned professionals looking for a comprehensive lure kit. Our second best surf fishing bait is Damodel 4 Pieces Large Simulation Squid Fishing Lures Bait Kit. The weighted design and realistic action make them perfect for deep sea fishing. Perfect for anglers looking to target larger predatory fish like tuna, bass, and mackerel. Ideal for those fishing in offshore or deep sea environments. Made with heavy-duty construction, these lures are designed to endure the challenges of fishing in both freshwater and saltwater environments. They're perfect for deep sea fishing and offshore trips, but they're also suitable for use in lakes and rivers. Whether you're fishing in rough waters or calm seas, these lures perform well, and their durable design means you can use them repeatedly without worrying about wear and tear. The Damodel squid fishing lures are incredibly effective due to their realistic squid simulation. The 3D holographic eyes and lifelike tentacles add a layer of realism that draws fish in from a distance. Whether you're fishing in saltwater or freshwater, the vibrant colors of these lures mimic the natural prey of predatory fish. Their motion in the water is particularly effective in tempting larger fish to bite. One of the standout features of these lures is the built-in multicolored lid blocks. These blocks help the lure sink quickly to the desired depth, which is important for targeting deeper fish. Additionally, the weight helps maintain a stable swimming action, making it highly appealing to fish. The lures maintain their natural squid-like movement even in turbulent waters, ensuring that your bait remains enticing throughout the fishing process. Third pick in our list is MTMYG Moonbeam Multiple Simulated Fishing Soft Bait. If you're in the market for a high-quality, effective soft bait swim bait kit, the Moonbeam Multiple Simulated Fishing Soft Bait swim baits are a fantastic choice. This kit includes 5 pieces of slow-sinking swimming lures that are perfect for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. The swim baits are designed to mimic the natural swimming action of small fish, making them irresistible to predatory species like bass, trout, and walleye. Available in 3 different colors, they offer versatility for varying fishing conditions. These lures are crafted from soft plastic that is both flexible and durable. This ensures they last for multiple fishing trips without cracking or tearing. The high-quality material also means the lures maintain their realistic action even after several uses, making them a long-term investment for any angler. One of the biggest advantages of these swim baits is their versatility. They perform equally well in freshwater and saltwater, making them ideal for anglers who enjoy fishing in both environments. Whether you're targeting lake fish or heading offshore, these lures can adapt to different water types and conditions. The Moonbeam swim baits are highly effective due to their realistic swimming motion. The soft plastic body moves fluidly in the water, which mimics the action Number 4 in our side is La Sokuhu Fishing Lures Kit. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced angler, this kit offers a diverse selection of lures to increase your catch rate. One of the best aspects of this kit is its versatility. Whether you're fishing in shallow waters, deep lakes, or coastal areas, this kit provides different types of lures suited for various environments. The soft plastic worms work great for slow presentations, while the spoon lures and frog lures add a more aggressive action to attract predatory fish. The lures hold up well after multiple uses, even in saltwater environments. The metal spoon lures resist rust, and the soft plastics remain flexible after repeated casts. The included hooks are sharp and sturdy, ensuring good hook penetration. This kit is designed to attract a wide range of fish, including bass, trout, salmon, pike, and walleye. The combination of lifelike movement, color variety, and durable hooks makes it easy to trigger strikes from aggressive fish. Soft plastic worms mimic natural movement, attracting fish easily. Frog lures create topwater action, ideal for bass fishing. Spoon lures provide excellent flash and vibration to grab attention. Include spoon lures, soft plastic worms, and frog lures, a mix of hard and soft baits to target different species. Number 5 in our top 5 best surf fishing bait list is Sugayalang Jigs Fishing Lures. Whether you're targeting bass, trout, walleye, or saltwater species like mackerel and snapper, these lures are versatile, durable, and highly effective. Whether you're shore fishing or deep sea fishing, these jigs have proven effective for species like bass, trout, perch, snapper, and mackerel. The realistic design and flashing metal body trigger aggressive strikes from fish in both shallow and deep waters. These micro jigs sink fast, allowing anglers to reach deep water fish quickly. Their fluttering action as they descend mimics a wounded baitfish, attracting predatory fish effortlessly. Built from solid metal, these lures hold up well against big fish and rough conditions. The hooks are sharp and durable, reducing lost catches. Made from high-density metal, ensuring quick sinking and durability. Compact design allows long-distance casting, ideal for micro-jigging, slow-pitch jigging, and vertical fishing. Effective for catching bass, trout, snapper, mackerel, and more. Works well in rivers, lakes, ponds, and ocean fishing. Rust-resistant materials make it durable in saltwater conditions. Holographic eyes and vibrant colors mimic real baitfish. Reflective body enhances visibility and attracts fish from a distance. Equipped with high-quality treble hooks for a better hookup ratio.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.